Hello class, I hope all of you are healthy. Class, this time we will do chapter number 3, the north wind and the sun. This is a short story in which north wind and the sun, they fight over their powers. Okay, they wanted to prove that who is more powerful. So we will read the story to find out who is more powerful, the sun or the north wind. So let's proceed. Hello class, now we will do chapter number 3. What is the chapter number 3? The north wind and the sun. Okay, it is in page number 3636. So let's look at this picture now. What is written over here? Color the things that are being blown away by the wind. You can see strong wind is blowing, okay, and it has blown many things away. What? Hat, kite, balloon, clothes, and an umbrella. Okay, so you have to color the thing which are blown away by the wind. Okay. So let's start reading now. Fables are stories that teach us something important. Now this is a new word that you are coming across. What is this word? Fables. Fables means short stories. Okay, short stories that are interesting and that teaches us something important. Okay, which gives us moral values. Okay. They are usually about animals or nature. Also, fable stories are those stories that are about the animals or nature. Here is a fable about the wind and the sun. So this fable or the short story is about wind and the sun, that is nature. Okay, wind and sun are animals? No, they are nature. Read and find out what happens when the two meet. Who two? When the wind and the sun meet. Okay? Let's read now. It was a very cold winter morning. So which season it was? It was winter season. That's why it was cold winter morning. Just when sun decided to travel across the sky. So when the sun decided to travel from one side to the other side, that is from east to the west. Why from east to the west? Because sun rises in the east and sets in the west. So when the sun decided to travel across, what happened? A strong wind rode. Okay, means there was a strong wind and it made a strong sound also and nearly blew him along with it and blew the sun along with it. Okay, soon sun realized that it was none other than the grumpy north wind. What is this word? Grumpy. Okay, so sun, he realized, okay, he came to know that it was no one but the grumpy north wind. Grumpy means angry. Okay, it was angry wind who blew him from one place to another. Okay, next. Out of my way, sun, hollered north wind. So the north wind, you can see the wind over here and the sun, they are both angry at each other. Okay, they are fighting. So the wind shouted on sun and he say, out of my way, means go away from my way. Why do you have to be grumpy and cause trouble all the time? Said sun. So the sun say to the wind, why you have to be angry? Why you are always angry and why you are destroying things all the time and causing trouble. I am strong. I rule over winter. There is no one as powerful as me. I can blow away ships, trees, and almost everything else, boasted North Wind. So, what happened? The North Wind, he boasted, means he started praising himself that he is very strong and powerful. He is telling to the sun that I am very strong and powerful. I have so much power that I can blow away ships, trees and everything else. Okay, and also I rule over winter, means winter is my season. I rule over winter. Okay, but I too rule over summer. I give heat and light to everyone. Plants, people and animals would die without me. Surely I am the one who is more powerful, claimed sun. So the sun is claiming over here that I also rule over summer. So class, what happens in summer season? We feel hot because the sun, it shines very, very brightly. So that's why we feel hot. So the sun is saying, I also rule over summer. And what does sun gives? Sun provides us? Sun provides us heat and light also. So class, can you tell me, can you live without sun for a day or for a month? No, we cannot, because if sun will not be here, it will be dark everywhere and there will be no solar energy. So class, what does plants need? Plants need sun energy, means they need light to make food, and then when they make food, they provide us oxygen. Okay, oxygen is the air which we breathe in. Okay, with the help of which we are living in this world. Even the animals, they also breathe oxygen. If there will be no sun, there will be no plants, and when there will be no plants, there will be no oxygen. Which air do we breathe? We breathe oxygen, which we get from plants. Okay, so if there will be no plants, then which air we will breathe? There will be no air left for us. So people will also die and the animals will also die. So the sun is claiming that I am more powerful. So these two, the north wind and the sun, they are both fighting that who is more powerful. Okay, the north wind is saying I am powerful and the sun is saying I am powerful. Okay, class, okay, one more question. Which animals gives us oxygen? Can you tell me which animals gives us oxygen? So this is your homework. You will find it out and you will write the answer in the notebook. Okay. We will read further now. You sit in the sky and do nothing except shine, but I am full of force and energy, said north wind. So the wind is saying to the sun that you do nothing, you just sit in the sky, but the wind, he is full of force, means he is full of power and energy. So again the north wind is praising himself here. While they were arguing, means while they were fighting, a man passed along the road wrapped in a heavy winter coat. So when they were arguing, while they were arguing, a man was walking along the road, and what he was wearing? He was wearing heavy winter coat. So you can see the red color coat over here. So he was wearing heavy winter coat. Okay, why he was wearing heavy winter coat? Because it is winter season. That's why he was wearing heavy coat. When there is winter season, we also wear sweaters and jackets and coats, right? Similarly, this man is also wearing heavy winter coat. Class, you can find the word meanings over here. Okay, blast of wind. What is the meaning of blast of wind? Wind, a strong burst of air. Okay, grumpy means angry, and hollered means shouted. Okay, to shout on someone. Now come to the next page. So class, we know that the sun and the wind, they both were fighting with each other. Why? Because the wind was saying that I am powerful and the sun was saying that I am powerful. So they both were fighting over their powers. Okay, now let's read. As a test of strength, said sun, let us see which of us can take the coat of that man. Okay, so what does sun say? Sun say that let's take a test. And what is that test? Let's see who can take the coat of that man. Means who has the power to make this man able to remove his coat from his body. Okay. Easy. I can do that in no time, bragged North Wind. So North Wind, he was very confident that he can do this work very easily. So he say that I will do it in no time. Means it will not take time to make this man remove his coat from his body. Go on then, said sun. I will watch you from behind a cloud. So the sun said to the wind that okay, do it and I will watch you from behind the cloud. You can see the sun is behind the cloud. Okay. Now class, we will read till here only. Let's see who wins the fight. So class, we will read further in the next video. I hope you have understood till here. Class, I want you to read the chapter again and read the word meanings and learn the word meanings also. Okay, if you have any doubts or any queries, you can mail me. And please do your work neatly and properly in good handwriting. Okay, take care. Thank you.